轩为了保护心爱的主人，可爱的狗狗化身成光之美少女，用温暖的拥抱拯救世界，用有爱的笑容照亮宇宙。汪汪，一起来玩吧 ！We are all friends, wonderful！ 每周日早上9点，悠悠 TV 独家首播。
Yes, we must. Come on.
You know my new newsreel? I love Halloween, and I love my Bride of Frankenstein costume.
Fine, I'll save the world. Oh my gosh, you found a box of nuts?
Take cover.
She doesn't stand her up this time. We'll just look at her certain things about xenophobia.
I agree.
That would be a thoughtful thing to ask.
That's what I love about being a jungle girl.
Scattered across the world, vestiges of their power, yet untouched by shadow. The Soul Jam. In hopes that a new batch of heroes would learn to resist the temptations of such strength and put it to a better use.
This is gonna be so awesome!
Hey, I can make you an ice cream.
They kept coming after whatever bright and shiny thing caught their eye.
To destroy you.
Dreamed of racing on this track to try and beat your best time.
Provided that you want a plain water-flavored ice cream.
That's just ice.
I'll make you a plain popsicle.
Nope, not me. Missed again. Troublemaking!
This is Helix 3 coming in with a package. We're running low on fuel. We're gonna need to drop them off to you. Over.
Copy Helix 3. Just be sure to lower him carefully. Don't want to damage anything.
Don't misuse the power you just got. Okay, just keep it in check.
I could work as a Zamboni.
Zambonis don't actually make the ice, they just make it even. They don't make the ice.
Nancy Kerrigan.
You're going to have to get past us.
Okay, we're nearly there.
Where are we going, Lightning? Buckingham Palace? Stonehenge? Oh, Big Ben!
This is gonna be great. Am I making a second movie? You will love it. What's up, brother?
Hey, Josh. You know, I really wish we could go to the real world.
Oh, the real world? I'm gonna love the real world.
Well, here's the portal to the real world.
Here goes nothing.
Once I go to the real world, I will destroy Frank and Josh once and for all. But I wish Frank was named Trey for the movie.
Jefferson, I hate to break it to you, but you're breaking the fourth wall.
Shut up! Let me narrate!